Had a lot of fun out there with the Penguins today.
Probably the best conversation you've ever had.
A very difficult
Right?
interview. I mean, they're just saving up their energy for what should be a busy week at the aquarium, and we thank them for, allowing us in to speak with the animals today. Those penguins are really cool.
I think you should be our tour guide.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, I can bring you around. I can show you.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people looking at the forecast because kids have off. A lot of kids have off
Yeah,
next week.
Penguins haven't been accustomed to some of this warmth that we have been seeing here. The month of February, actually one of the top 5 warmest right now since weather records began. And so that makes this chill that we're seeing right now, which is really just a normal caliber of cold, seem a little bit colder. We'll just call it a winter cameo here at this point. Just a little taste of winter, and then really it's pretty much gone by the time we get into later Saturday, although you will notice the bluster, the winds picking up out of the southwest, but the temperatures are going to be transported by those southwesterly winds back up close to 40 in a few spots. And if you think that's mild, wait till we get to Sunday. We're actually flirting with 50 degrees. It will be cloudier, there will be less wind, but you'll definitely feel the 50 degrees more on Sunday than you will on Saturday. So there is your hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. If you are making plans, plan on shivering in the morning with wind chills into the teens. Plan on that wind most of the afternoon. The sun is going to help to mix up the atmosphere. We could easily see some gusts up around 40 miles per hour. Today, a paltry 1/10 of an inch of snow brings our grand total for the month of February in Buffalo to a whole 2/10 of an inch. If the month does not receive 1.8 inches of snow before month's end, it will end up being the least snowiest February in Buffalo weather history, with records going back to the 1870s. And I'm looking all around to see if I can find that 1.6 inches of snow, and I'm hard pressed to find it here at this point, but we'll keep you posted. As far as new snowfall goes through the overnight from some of this limited lake effect, we might see a scant ½ inch in some spots into ski country, maybe a whole inch on some hilltops by Saturday morning, and that is it. Tomorrow we've got the sunshine, but again, we are all shivering for this evening. Look at wind chills here by 9 o'clock. We'll feel like 9 in Buffalo. We'll feel like 2 in Olean in the overnight. You're waking up on Saturday morning getting that breakfast ready to go, and it will feel like it's in the teens, pretty much hilltop to Lake Shore. And again, those winds will be busy, especially downtown Buffalo towards Lake Erie. We're looking at wind gusts on the order of 40 miles per hour. Snow-covered rooftops here downtown, 24 degrees with some wind-blown light snow. Feels like 14 right now. We drop to 16 tonight as the flakes fade. A gusty northwesterly breeze throughout the night. Tomorrow, times of sun, wind gusts to 40 miles an hour, but again, we're up to 38, unlike today's 20s. Have a check of that Super 7-day forecast, and what you see here for precipitation is limited at best. And look at some of these high temperatures as well. They are well into the 40s next week, so whatever precipitation falls will be mixed, I think, with a little bit of rain. Best chance for seeing maybe some accumulation sometime on Thursday. Who called?
This is the Penguins. They're not very happy.
Oh, they are?
Sorry. I'll tell them.
They want to redo.
I'll
Do you
tell
ever
them they want
hear
to
from
redo.
people who are happy?
No, I mean, it's a very good point. But we'll pass along good word. Looks good, Josh.
Yes.
Yeah,
Calm
it
down,
does,
Penguins.
for people who like the milder weather, that's not bad.
And hopefully the nighttime lows will help ski country out at least a little bit.
Yeah, that would be helpful, for
Yes.
sure. All right.